medium format film and how to use it. So, for those of you guys who don't know exactly what medium format is, medium format is basically just 120 film. What's 120 film? It's used in medium format cameras like this bad boy right here. I got this one not too long ago. Had absolutely no idea how to use it. Had no idea how to use the medium format film either. But look, it looks so cool. It looks so majestic. Just like, who doesn't want that? That looks so awesome. Like, who doesn't want something like that? But no, medium format film. The thing about these kind of film, it's a bit tricky when you come to use it. It's not like these films. 35 millimeter film, it's a bit different. Whatever via however you decide to, whether you use the gold, whether you use the black and white, whatever. Both of these films are different. These 35 millimeter spools or whatever you want to call them are used for these 35 millimeter cameras. Well, this one's a half frame, but it's still 35 millimeters. No difference. But when it comes to this one, compared to this one has 36 exposures, and this one has 10 to 16. You may be asking, what is an exposure in the first place? Let me tell you. The difference between in well, not the tip. What's an exposure? Basically a picture. Think of a picture as an exposure. That's photographer language for what an exposure is. This one has 36, this one has 10 to 16, depending on how you use it. See, I had gotten the gold 200. You can order these offline usually. I've never decided to buy film offline. I've only ever bought them inside of stores. Personally, if you live in the Metro Atlanta or an Atlanta area, I definitely recommend Bellow something. It'll be in the link in the description for anybody who wants to go check it out and who lives in Atlanta. It's a beautiful, very aesthetically pleasing place to go buy film. It's actually where I got this. However your choice, your film of choice may be, I'll show you how to use it. Well, not even how to use it, but how to insert it essentially. So when it comes to these kind of film, and if you're using the Agafa, what's this? The Agafa Isolete, the second, I think the second, yeah. This could be also a little mini tutorial on how to insert it for you as well. So you would just casually, you see, you just, with these two little dots connect. Let me see if I can get that a bit closer. Yeah. You would essentially just put it inside of here, go like that, and just snap it on. Boom. Easy as that. But that's not the only thing. Because those of you guys who don't know, you can't off the rip like one of these just take a picture and automatically save. It's not like this. You have to continuously keep rolling until you see numbers on this. And I'll show you that soon. Just one moment. Bear with me. But as I was saying, yeah, that's it's very tricky with these cameras since all of the medium, well, from what I understand, all of the medium format cameras are all medium format. One, no, all of the medium format cameras all do this. None of them are manual. I mean, none of them are, well, basically, how am I saying this? All of them are manual. All of them are manual cameras, like all of them, which means that you have to literally crank this motherfucker. You got to do all this. It's not like a Fuji film or mm, a Polaroid. It's not an electric camera that you put batteries in. These two require, well, this one kind of has a battery because of the flash and everything, but they're mostly manual cameras. And you would insert it as such. You would roll it up in here, go like that. You would insert it. You would slide it inside of this, right? And you would close it, right? And then you would keep cranking it. And I'll show you guys one moment. But you gotta first you gotta actually move the thing down. That's what's first. You gotta keep cranking it until you actually see numbers on the thing. Now just bear with me now. Y'all won't believe what just happened. I forgot this. For those of you guys who may not know, this is basically how you like capture this film and keep it like spinning. I'm tripping balls today, bro. Shit. Anyways, as I was, essentially all you have to do is just put the film right here, like that. What you guys can't see. Just put the film right here. Basically put it in this little, some people call it a spool, but that name just sounds weird. But I don't know if I want to call it that. I'll call it a little doohickey. It sounds, it's a little bit on the safer side, and you just spin that little bad boy. Just spin it, and I'll show you guys. Let's see if I can. Let me make sure it's actually spinning. Sure is. And you keep spinning, keep spinning, keep spinning, spinning, and spinning. Keep spinning. No matter how much it hurts. Jesus. Like, okay, there we are. One. I know I'm not tripping balls. I know I'm seeing it. One. Let me see if I can get it real close up for y'all. I don't know. But anyways, for my camera, it just says one. And that is how you correctly insert medium format film. 120 film. There you go. I'm not begging you to like or subscribe. If you enjoyed it, you can do whatever you will with that information. I'm just here to show you how to do things. As long as I was helpful with you, just let me know. Shoot me a little comment. Say this was helpful. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day.